Buruli ulcer is caused by a germ that mainly affects the skin. It can also affect the bone. The disease often begins as a painless nodule under the skin and then progresses without pain or fever into an ulcer on the skin. In Ghana, the Buruli ulcer endemic areas are Pokukrom, Ayamfree and Subin in the central region, while the controlled areas are Kedadwin in the western region and some areas in the upper east region of Ghana. Buruli ulcer can be treated, but its mode of transmission is the major challenge confronting researchers, scientists, and health officials. The research and education on Buruli ulcer, with funding from the National Science Foundation, is trying various approaches to understand the mode of transmission. These include climate conditions, land disturbance, and human activities. Professor Petra Tschakert of the University of Pennsylvania, USA, is the principal investigator.
We do have a strong hypothesis, as I said earlier, that links land disturbance through mining with the outbreak of BU. So we have been working in areas where mining is prevalent, both in the endemic and the non-endemic areas. And so somewhere in there is the solution.
A resource person from the University of Mines and Technology, TAQA, Professor Ricciardi, explained the complications and conditions in the endemic and controlled areas. He said there are similar conditions in the two different areas, yet the disease is endemic in one and controlled in the other.
What is at Pokukrom which triggers the activity of the microbe that causes Buruli ulcer? Is that thing also at Takwa? If so, why is it not triggering Buruli ulcer? These are some of the questions that we keep asking, and these are the questions that drive the research. As we answer these questions, it will bring us closer and closer to finding a solution to a tropical disease which, as it were, has been neglected, but then it is affecting and intimidating so many people.
The project has an educational component and uses selected schools to educate the people on early treatment for the condition, which is one of the measures to control it. Mr. Tony Spackman is the head of the Rebuild Research Team at Bwampunsem SHS. He said by using sketches, outreach programs and social interaction, they have been able to demystify to a large extent the perception that Buruli ulcer is a curse and not a treatable disease. In an interview, Professor Joseph Opong of the North Texas University and a member of the team said the project, which is in its 5th year, has had a positive impact on the endemic communities.